you can see, I'm using wood pellets. Okay? And it's making a lot of gas. I have it on a variable speed. And that's not that easy to control, this type of motor, but anyway. I have a coolant system running on a 12-volt DC. I don't know if you can see that there. And that's circulating the coolant, which is mildly warm here and pretty like cold here. The pipe here is cold. Cold to the touch. And as you can see, it's running here. Now, it's clearly making more than it needs to run, but I don't have enough. As you can see, there's a leak here, so it doesn't have a proper vacuum to suck enough power. I'm not really in the mood to make a better hookup. It's more just a concept I want to figure out and how long I can get it to run. But it's pretty inefficient right now because I'm wasting so much gas. So this is a 4 horsepower. I know there's no load on it right now, but let's say it had twice the load on it, and let's say it was using up all the fuel that's present. It's still running at maybe 55% of the blower speed there. So I figure about, you could run a 10 kilowatt generator and probably get about 6 to 7 kilowatts out of it max. That's what I'm figuring. If you want more power, just double up the system. Easier that way, I figure. But there's no gas in there. I did, when it was this morning, it was frigid this morning, about 32 Fahrenheit, about 0. I did drop a couple of drops of gas to get it started, but then I got it going clearly with this. I can adjust the valves here. Open it up too much. Still all right. But it runs a motor. This motor's been running now for hours. I'm just trying to see how much. If it's just, it just looks like it's gonna be the tar that has to be purified out of it a bit more. But other than that, the fuel is good to run. And the engine runs really smooth too. That's another thing I noticed. And adjust this. She is in some daylight. I just got charcoal in there, and it depends on how you pack this. It affects the blower. If you restrict this, it restricts the blower. Now, this is where we usually got problems, but look, you can touch that. Shouldn't be that hot when it's running properly. Shouldn't get hot. And that works because of the fuel. See? Which I like to... I like to fix that. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. you can fill this hopper all the way up to here. You know, run this thing for hours. But that's it. It's the cooler this cooling system is, the cooler the gas that comes out of here, and the better the gas production. As you can see, the engine's running. Now I could actually ignite that. Coming out of here, I can ignite that if I want, but I'm not. But there you go. I'm running this engine. It's been about 2 hours already today and about 4 hours yesterday. So about 6 hours total so far on wood gas. I want to see if I can do, I don't know, 100 hours on untreated gas. See what that does. And then I have another project, taking that thing apart and cleaning it out. But anyways, running an engine on wood gas.